today we'll talk about how can you add payment methods on your Wix app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So when you click on manage, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on getting paid. You click here on sales here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You click on payments. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open with you. So then you click on connect app payment methods here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. When you click here on connect app payment methods here. So then here you select your location in this list. You click on confirm here, and here can you select if you want to add PayPal or your here your manually here. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.